In today's video, we will be using the stuff in our backyard to make it. And boom, here it is.
Bruh.
Alright, so first we're actually just gonna spray paint it because I don't want to, when I draw it in, I haven't had spray paint, so. Okay, yeah, I physically suck at this. This is right. Let me try one more time. I don't do it then. Alright guys, this is what it's going to look like, but we're not done. In the next video, I'll be adding LED lights and trying to get or make a game poster. So, if you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!